Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn your photo into a super cool jump to cloud animations. And the best part is it's totally free and super easy. You don't need any complicated software or editing skills, just your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store and then just install it. And once it's installed, just open the app and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface will give you free credits every week so you can generate several videos or images without paying anything. That's really great if you just want to try some fun effects like this one. Next, after logging in, you will be on the home screen like this. And then next, just tap on Magic Effect. And then in here you will see tons of cool effects. But for today's video, we're going to use Jump to Cloud. It's that dreamy fantasy style animations where your photo looks like it's jumping high into the clouds. It's super aesthetic and perfect for reels or story edits. Next, just scroll down until you find Jump to Cloud effect. This one, just tap on it like this, and then next, just upload your photo. You can use a full body shot for the best result, or just like a half body. But make sure your whole face is visible so the animation will look smooth. Just tap on the button to upload your photo like this, and then after that just tap on confirm, and when you're done just tap on create. And okay, like this, in just a few moments Dreamface will automatically turn your still photo into a moving animations like magic like this. Your jump to cloud animation is ready. Next, you can download it and share it to your social media. It's super quick, fun, and totally beginner friendly. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.